Hello, sweeties! We've got something very special to show you today. Are you ready? All you're gonna need for this hairstyle is this super cute black tie and nothing else. Take only the front part, section it in half, and then start wrapping the tie around those two sections. Add a little bit of volume on those sections and then tie it up in the end. It is actually looking quite beautiful so far. What do you guys think? Are you ready for the final result? Yep, it's just the prettiest half-up, half-down hairstyle you've ever seen. Are you ready for the next super cute hairstyle for today? 'Cause we're about to start! Taking that front section and sectioning it in half and then doing a little twist in there for both sides. You're definitely going to need someone's help for this one. Looking amazing so far! You have to be pretty creative to make your hair look always cute. You don't always have to do a high bun in order to create that half-up, half-down hairstyle. This is just the prettiest way to spice up your hairstyling routine. I am super excited to see the final results on this one. Add a cute hair accessory in the end, and you'll have the cutest outcome ever.